पीछे कोई आए तो मैं तो तोड़ दूंगी ना इंसान को। वो फीलिंग, वो रेज जो होती है, वो एक पेरेंट को मालूम होता है। प्रिटी, शी इज, यू नो, शी प्लेज डर्टी, शी विल हिट यू फ्रॉम एनीवेयर, शी विल मेक श्योर दैट हर फैमिली इज सेफ। रात में हम लोग लोधी होटल या कहीं दिल्ली में जा रहे थे, हम लोग के होटल में, एंड रात में गाड़ी थी एंड वी वर ड्राइविंग एंड सडनली आई डोंट नो, ऑल आई सॉ was my mother holding the throat of the driver. I had never seen that side of my mother.
It's gritty, it's violent also, you know. You have done action roles before also, but I feel this is more physically brutal. And I want to know, like, was the preparation really intense? How did you prepare for it? Not physically, but mentally also. You know, like, it's gritty, it's violent. You were smashing the faces. I was like, throughout the film, kya maar rahe ho aap?
It's very important when you're going on a journey with any protagonist to understand why they're doing what they're doing. कि you know, चार गुंडे खड़े हैं, आप मारते रहो, it's not interesting, but it becomes interesting when you have a reason of why. So for me, that why really was, how far would a mother go to protect her child? I had just had my daughter. She was 2 years old when I started filming the movie. एंड अगर उसके पीछे कोई आए तो मैं तो तोड़ दूंगी ना इंसान को। वो फीलिंग, वो रेज जो होती है, वो एक पेरेंट को मालूम होता है। एंड दैट वाज माय नॉर्थ स्टार इन दिस मूवी। इन एवरी सीन आई जस्ट केप्ट थिंकिंग अबाउट, like, what would I do to make sure that my child, my family is safe? And you know, that's why Mary's character, she's gritty, she's, you know, she plays dirty, she will hit you from anywhere, she'll make sure that her family is safe, and that's why you feel like she's violent and grimy and has no apologies, because you're coming after my child. And that is such a universal feeling, and you immediately know what that level of, you know, anger will be. And but at the same time, you know, the skill set required in this, I've never worked with swords before. The only other movie which I had done where it was close was Bajirao Mastani, but I was playing the Peshwa's wife in it, you know, so I didn't have any action or stunts in that movie. So I had to learn how to work with blades, and that too with both hands, while being able to fight someone with the expertise of Carl, who had done this in the Lord of Rings before. You know, he's done it in a lot of movies. So I wanted to make sure that I knew my job as well. So it took weeks and weeks of learning how to train, how to work with different kinds of rifles of the time had to be filled up with gunpowder. And to do that in the middle of a scene while you're doing a big action sequence, it was a lot of detailing that was required, which is challenging and fun at the same time.
Wonderful job, wonderful
Thank
job,
you.
I would say. But like you just mentioned about this motherly instinct, right? I want to ask you, is there any moment which you clearly remember when your mom, Madhu ma'am, supported you when you really needed that support? I know there must be millions of moments.
Yeah, there were so many moments, but I remember where her inside ka Bloody Mary came out once. We were in a cab. I must have been 11 years old or something, 10 or 11 years old. रात में हम लोग लोधी होटल या कहीं दिल्ली में जा रहे थे, हम लोग के होटल में, एंड रात में गाड़ी थी एंड वी वर ड्राइविंग एंड सडनली आई डोंट नो, ऑल आई सॉ was my mother holding the throat of the driver. And apparently he took a turn that she didn't recognize. And he said, नहीं मैं shortcut ले रहा हूँ. And रात के 11 बजे थे, मम्मी और मैं अकेले थे. But she just held his neck from the back, like the hand and her elbow. And she said, and held onto the steering wheel, says, drive back to the main road. And she slapped him and said, drive back to the main road. I was like, she's like, I'm here with my teenage daughter and you take, you know, I had never seen that side of my mother. And after that, I never debated her on anything for the next 4 months. I said, Jo bhi aapko chahiye? Yes, mom. Yes, mom. Because I just, it was, you know, that side of her just came out. She was like, I'm with my teenage daughter. And I don't know if my mom would have reacted like that if she was alone. You know what I mean? But because I was with her, she was shaking when we got back to the hotel.
But now I can understand where this courage comes from. It's in God. So yeah, so we don't have much time. One last question I would ask you. You know, like you recently spoke at Harvard. काफियों का सपना होता है to be there. You know, you were there. We are so proud of you. You have achieved so much, like globally. कभी अभी भी सिंक इन होता है कि इतना अचीव कर लिया है, लाइक वो फील होता है, सिंक इन होता है?
नहीं, आप अपने लॉरेल्स पे नहीं बैठ के रेस्ट कर सकते। मैंने तो कभी नहीं किया है। अगर आपको लॉन्जेविटी चाहिए, इफ़ यू वांना कीप मूविंग एंड इफ़ यू वांट अ करियर फॉर अ लॉन्ग टाइम, you have to focus on constantly being better. I just focus on that. I try not to think about कहाँ से कहाँ पहुँच गए. It's it derails you off of, I like to enjoy my life. I like to spend time with my family. I like to walk my dogs. I like to go on set, do a good movie. I love to talk to you and promote the movie I'm doing. I like wearing fun, clothes. I just stick to the simple things in my job. जो laurels वगैरह हैं, all of that, is very kind and motivating, definitely. But I can't sit and think about it.
But what's your definition of global fame? Has it changed over the years?
Fame is fame. It's like it's a very strange thing. Fame is weird. It changes people. It doesn't just change you. It changes the people around you. People interact with people who are famous, and it's a weird thing. It was never something I was chasing. I chase excellence. Fame is a byproduct of my job. So I'm hoping that I'm a student. I learn every day. I'm not the best at everything I do. I don't believe in that, but I'm very sure about what I bring to the table. I'm good at my job. I have a work ethic, and I'm very very hardworking. So मैं बस उन चीज़ों के ऊपर फोकस करती हूँ, और ये फेम वगैरह that's not important. अपनी फैमिली को आप प्रोटेक्ट कर सको, अपनी ज़िंदगी को आप अच्छे से जी सको, and एक अच्छा इंसान बनो, and that's life will be good to you.